Okay, let's see. This is kind of there's elf in the cabin. He's running and turning the lights all the time. Yeah, but this is my DIY. As you see, it's fashionable design with the glue and sticks and aluminum plates, and this is like a rowboat thickness of the polymer plastics, and there's the 50/50 brush motor with the liquid cooling from the running water, and then there's the fight back unit on the rear, and on the back there's setting on the rear servo, and then the red unit, and it's powering, so it's now initializing the receiver, and then I'm setting this radio on, so you heard it's getting the contact with the receiver, and then it's programmed with the model, and then with the rudder it has been limited with the trim settings, and then there's a propulsion also for the radio, limited because this rudder is running with this little boat. It has the same service but lower quality engine, I guess. And this is running about 30 kilometers per hour, so this is running like 8 kilometers per hour now. But yeah, it's over the meter, and we have tried it almost meter height waves on the lake, so it's pretty darn nice. And the lights we had to place there, and the smiley face, because it goes, we ran it over the kilometer from the shore and we didn't see it which direction it was going beside these, so it's quite fun. And then the fun part of driving on the lake.